All right, guys, let's go ahead and label our sentence for today. Now, I'm going to kind of go word by word and label. So the first word is he, and we said that that was one of our pronouns, right? Pronoun. Kind of already said that over here. He took. All right, but he also tied. He did both of those things, and both of those are verbs, okay? They're actions that he is doing, all right? So I'm going to label both of those as my verbs. A, we haven't really talked about yet, but that's called an article. I'm not even going to write it right now. He took a long rope, all right? He also tied one end. So the word long is describing the rope, and the word one is describing the end. And both of those are describing describing nouns that we have, so they're adjectives. All right, so that brings us to the word rope. All right, now the word rope, that is one of our nouns. The word end, like the end of the rope, that's still a noun because it's the end. And then we also have the word waist. All of these, oops, I forgot my eye. All of these are nouns in our sentence. Okay, they're a person, place, or a thing. We have the word and it's still considered a conjunction. It's just not a conjunction that connects two sentences. Okay, it's a conjunction that's connecting to predicates. Okay. Oops, there's our bell. I told you the word around already is a preposition because it's a position word. And that kind of helps you remember prepositions are position words. And then we have his. I'm going to put it up here. His is also a pronoun, but it's possessive because it's talking about his waist. He owns that waist. So it's considered a possessive pronoun. All right, I labeled a lot in that sentence. All right, guys, so if you missed any of those and didn't catch them, then go ahead and add them to your list so you have them. Might help you on your quiz Friday.